Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Joseph here with Washpreneurs, as you can see on the hat. Today we got a huge job. We're gonna do this house right here. We're doing the gutters, the driveway, the sidewalk, and the whole entire house. Windows included, everything included. We got the whole there in the back. Yes, sir. We're about to get this started for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned. All right, so we have our depth cleaner here, house and siding pressure wash. So we're gonna use that for our chemicals here on this house here. We're gonna put it into our pump sprayer, and we're actually gonna downstream it. But since the downstreaming is diluted, I actually don't want to downstream, so I'm just going to spray it out with the pump sprayer. While Nick over here starts the driveway, and he has the same ZEP chemical for the concrete and driveway as well. So make sure you stay tuned. Alright guys, so finished the house wash. Now we're about to start our gutter brightening. And kind of LA's totally awesome right here. We're gonna dilute that, so we're gonna get some water fountains. So we're gonna dilute this because this chemical is way too strong to put on the gutters by itself. So we're gonna get some water in there. This is a 2.5 gallon pump sprayer. So we put, I think, like a pint of LA Totally Awesome. And then we're gonna dilute the rest of it with water, just to be safe. All right.